So here we have another function. So here is not on function, here is 3 function, right? So if the value of x is less than 0, then we will consider this function, okay? And if the value of x is greater than -1, greater than or equal to -1 and less than 1, then we will consider this function. And if x is greater than 1, then we will consider this function, okay? So we have to find the value of a function of -2 and function of -2, okay? This and this, okay? So let's find the first value. As we have function of -2, so -2 goes this part, right? -2 goes this part, right? Is less than -1. So
Yes.
here we will consider this function 2x plus 3. So f of -2 is equal to 2x plus 3. So here we input the value of x, right? The value of x is equal to -2 here. This is
Yes.
so this will be -4 plus 3 or -1. Now we have to find function of -2. So we already found function of -2, right? So we can just put this value here.
Yes.
Yes, we can just put this value here. So this will be a function of -1. So if this is function of -1, then we have to consider this equation, right? X square. Function of x is equal to x square. We have to consider this function. So this will be -1 square is equal to +1. Okay. So now let's learn some basic elementary functions. So first function is f of x is equal to c. Here c is a constant value. Okay, it can be anything, any real number. For example, we get some. For example, here the value of y is always constant. This means the function will be something like this: y is equal to y is equal to 2, or y is equal to -5. Okay, any constant number. So here our domain will be domain x belongs to R. Domain will be x belongs to R. We can write this way, like d is equal to x, then a line x, and x belongs to R. Okay, we can write our domain this way, or also this way, like -infinity to 0 union 0 to plus infinity. Okay. Oh, this will be a closed interval, because we can also take the value of 0, right? Okay. So this is our domain for this function, f of x is equal to, and now let's see the graph. So you can see y is equal to 2, and this 2 is the value of c, or constant. So y is equal to 2 means this 2 will be somewhere on the y-axis, and this is like 1, 2 here. Okay, and the line will always this line will be like this way. If we take a point here, in this point the value of y will be always 2, right? If we take a point here, the value of y will be also 2. So that's why our function is f of x, our function is y is equal to 2. Okay, because every time any point on this line will be any point on this line, the value of y will be 2. Okay, so that's why this is the graph. This is the graph of f of x is equal to c. Now let's go to the next function. This is called power function. like y is equal to x to the power c, and this c is any constant value. Okay, this can be 2, this can be 3 or -7, anything. Okay, so this will be a parabola. The graph will be a parabola.
Hey, I cannot hear anything.
Oh, sorry. Maybe I was muted. Sorry. So let's start from power function again. Power function is y is equal to x to the power c, right? So here
Yes.
c is a constant value. It can be 2, 3, -7, anything. So for example, y is equal to x squared. And this power function is like, if we draw this in the graph, we will get a parabola. Okay. So now let's move forward. Number 3, we have x4 function. X4 function is y is equal to a to the power x. And here this a is a constant value. Okay. For example, y is equal to 2 to the power x. So this is a constant value. And here is our x. Okay. So in the graph, it will be something like this. It will come parallel to x-axis, and then it will immediately go upward. Okay. So now let's move forward to number 4.
এটা কিভাবে বুঝবো যে কিছুটা দূর প্যারালাল যাবে? এটা একটু দেখান যাবে?
Okay, we can take some value here. Like if we take the value of x is equal to 0, so this will be 2 to the power 0. That means 1. Okay. So 1 will be somewhere. 1 will be somewhere around here, right? So if x is equal to 0, y will be y will be 1. So 1 will be here. So let me write. If x is equal to 0, y will be 1. So this point is here. Okay. And let's take some value like x is equal to 2. Okay, x is equal to 2. Then y will be 2 square is equal to 4. So 4 will be if x is equal to 2, y will be, if x is equal to 1, 2, then y will be 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, somewhere around here.
Yes.
So if we see that this is coming like this way. Okay. So let's take any negative value, like if x is equal to minus 2, then this will be 2 to the power -2. 2 to the power -2 means 1 by 2 square. Okay. This is called the inverse function, and this is like something inverse. Okay. 2 to the power -2 means 1 by 2 square. For this minus, we will write on upside, and then we will remove this minus. So we get 2 square. Okay. Then we write it on the downside. So 2 to the power -2
কিন্তু এটা তো আস্তে আস্তে কমতে থাকে।
Yes, so if we calculate this in calculator, this will be 1 divided by 4. So 1 divided by 4 is equal to 0.25, right?
Yes.
So if x is equal to -2, if x is equal to -2, y will be 0.25, right?
Yes. Yes.
So somewhere around x is equal to -2 and y will be 0.25, something like here, okay? So this is not parallel, right? So this will come this way, this will come this way, and this is going to touch this x-axis, but it will not be able to touch this x-axis, okay? So we will learn this in limit, okay? We will learn this.
Yeah.
So the function will be something like this, okay? Something like this.
Okay. Okay.
But it will not touch.
I have got.
Okay.
Oh, it is infinity. I have of that.
So let's go to the next next part, logarithmic function. Logarithmic function. So log function is the inverse function of expo function, okay? So expo function was y is equal to 2 to the power x, right? So log function will be y is equal to log a to the power x. Do you know what is called log? Log is called like this. If 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, then log 2 base 4 is equal to 2, okay? This is called log. Okay, let me simplify this. So we know 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, right? So here log, we just ask for this power, right? We ask like this way. 2 to the power hot is equal to 4, okay? 2 to the power hot is equal to 4, okay? So the answer will be 2 to the power 2 is equal to 4, okay? So we like this way, log 2 base 4 is equal to 2, okay? So that's why logarithm.
How could be possible? Log 4 with
inverse
2
function,
power
2. Okay? Log function is inverse function of expo function. So here.
Okay, how can be possible? Log 2 to the power 4 equal to 2. Can you calculate
Here
it?
I just put an example of a power and a log. Okay, how a log comes. Log comes from a power. Okay, like log 2 base 2 is equal to 4. Okay, we count this way. Log 2 base 2 is equal to 4. Okay.
Okay.
So it will be more clear if I go further. Okay. So the function is y is equal to.
এখন তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না, মানে আমাদের পার্টিসিপেন্টস এর পিকচার গুলো আসতেছে, মানে যেখানে তুমি বোঝাচ্ছ এখন একটু কম জুম করা যাবে?
Yes, I can zoom in. I can zoom in. Just a moment. Can you see this?
No, একটু কম জুম করা লাগবে, মানে একটু বেশি জুম হয়ে গেছে।
I have to zoom out.
বেশি জুমের কারণে ওটা।
So is this okay now?
No.
Okay.
No, you have to zoom less, then it will be clear. If you
Okay,
zoom
now
even
clear,
in minus, you have to. No, arrow minus.
Now. You can minimize. You can minimize the screen. Like you can minimize your participants, right?
How can?
If this is too zoom out, then I cannot write properly, okay? Because I'm writing using my mouse.
How can I minimize my participants?
I don't know. Maybe I do not use mobile so much, so I don't know how to do this.
I have been using laptop.
Oh yeah, you can join with laptop also. This will be much better. So here we have.
Okay. I have got.
For example,
I can see you.
Logarithmic function or log function will be y is equal to log a to the power x. Okay. So here is our function.
Yes.
F of x is equal to y is equal to x plus 1. So here we have to put x on the left side and everything else on the right side. Okay. And then
yes.
Then we have to input x here. Okay. we have to replace this y, and we have to put x here. So here we have to replace this y, and we have to put x here. So we get x minus 1, okay? This x minus 1 is our inverse function, okay? So if a function is f of x is equal to y is equal to x plus 1, then inverse function will be we have to put x on the left side and everything else on the right side, and then we have to replace y. We have to replace this y using x. Then we will get our inverse function, okay? So for example,
আমরা y টাকে রিপ্লেস করব, আমরা চাইলে তো y টাকে ওইভাবে রাখতে পারতাম।
No, this is not a rule, okay? So here is an example. It will be more clear. Just see this example, okay? Y is equal to root over 2 to the power x. Y is equal to 2 to the power x. So we have to put x on the left side and everything else on the right side. And if you compare this with these two things, okay? So we can say like this way. So here is our equation, and here is our log, right? So we always put power on the right side. You see here, we always put power on the right side. So this power will be here, okay? I mean right side means only single, okay? We always put power on the left side or right side, anywhere, but it will be always single. And then we can tell for log 2 base y, the power will be x. That means log 2 to the power x is equal to y, okay? These things and these things are the same, okay? Like if x is equal to log 2 base y, we can say 2 to the power x is equal to y, okay? You have to count clockwise or anti-clockwise. Then you will find the value in log, okay? So for example, we can take the value of x is equal to 1. Then 2 to the power 1, this will be 2. So if x is equal to 1, y will be 2, okay? So we can write this way: log 2 base 2 is equal to 1. You see this? Because this is the value of y and this is the value of x. I already marked this. This is the value of y and this is the value of x. Okay? This example, okay. So do you understand this example? If you understand this example, then you also can understand this example. These two are the same, okay?
আচ্ছা log 2/2 মানে এখানে যে log 2 নিলাম আমরা y এর বদলে, এই y এই 2টা আমরা পেলাম কোথায়? নিচে ধরে নিলাম এরকম?
Yes, we can take any value. Like we can so we will only take the value of x. We don't take this value of y. This value of y will come. This will come after taking this value of x. Like we can take the value of x is equal to 3. So this will be 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8. Okay. So if the value of x is equal to 3, y will be 8. So we will write this way: log 3 base 8 is equal to, sorry, log 2 base 8 is equal to 3. Okay. Log 2 base 8 is equal to 3. You can see here we take the value of y here and the value of x here. So this will be log 2 base.
আচ্ছা আমরা ফার্স্টে কোন ভ্যালুটা ধরে নেব? y এর ভ্যালুটা ধরে নেব ফার্স্টে?
No, we only take the value of x. We don't take the value of y.
Value of
yes, if we take the value of
x যদি আচ্ছা তো এই ক্ষেত্রে আমরা যদি value of x এর মানটা আমরা 4 ধরি, তাহলে সেই ক্ষেত্রে এটা হবে 16। value of y এর মান
Yes,
শূন্য
yes.
হবে।
If the value of x is equal to 4, then y will be 2 to the power 4. This means 16. So here
Okay,
we
I
will
have
write
got.
this. Okay, I'm back again. So can you see my screen?
Yes, we need little
If we
bit.
take the value of x is equal to 4,
Yes. Yes.
so y will be 2. Oh, sorry, y will be 16. Y will be 16.
Okay.
Y will be 16.
Okay.
So in this case, we will write this way: log 2 base 16 is equal to 4. Okay.
Yeah.
Here the value of x is the power. Okay. Like this is the power, right? This 4.
Yes.
X. You can see here to y is equal to.
এটা ভাই বুঝতে পারছি, এটা ক্লিয়ারলি বুঝতে পারছি, মানে এটা আমার মাথায় ঢুকতো না, তুমি এটা বললে না।
Okay. Thank you so much.
আসলে এই বিষয়টা আমার মাথায় ঢুকতো না।
So now we can take it forward, right? This is so simple. Do not take it complex. Only this.
মনে হচ্ছিল আমার কাছে
Log
অনেক ইজি ছিল।
that is to the power x is equal to y. Okay, this is so simple. This is like a clock or anti-clock, right? Like a rotation.
Yes.
Like log 2 base. That means 2 to the power on is equal to 2. Okay.
Yes.
So if base a is equal to a is equal to c or constant 2, then we can take. So if the base is a constant, like sorry, if the base a is equal to e, okay. So e have a value. So let me search on Google. So e has a value of 2.71828. Okay.
Yeah.
So if the base is e, like log e base something, okay, log e base something is equal to, suppose 2 is equal to 5. It can be anything, okay. So if the base is e, then we can type it ln. Okay, we can type it ln. So for example, here we have y is equal to ln x, right? So e to the power, if e to the power x is equal to 1, previously we learned this way, like 2 to the power x is equal to 2 to the power x is equal to 4, right? So here the value of x will be.
Yes.
So here we get for 2 we get e. Okay. So here we do not have 2, we have only.
Yes.
So the value of e is equal to what? Is equal to 2.71828. So that means this is a constant. Okay.
এটা আরেকবার একটু রিপিট করো না ভাই।
Okay. So what is ln? Ln means log e to the power something. Log e to the power log e base something. Okay. So if we get e to the power x is equal to 1, then we can write it ln on. Okay, ln on. And here the value of x will be 0. If the value of x is equal to 0, then we can write this way: ln on is equal to 0. Okay.
Okay. Yes, এইটুকু বুঝছি।
So ln xy will be ln x plus ln y. Ln x divided by y will be ln x minus ln y. Ln x to the power n will be n ln x. Okay. Every time we take this power down here. Okay. Before the ln.
আচ্ছা, এগুলো কি সূত্র, মানে এগুলো দিয়ে সামনে ম্যাথ করতে হবে এরকম?
Okay. These are some properties. So if ln x is 3, so we can write this way: 3 ln x. Okay. This power n will come before ln. So for to make it simple, log e base something, like log e base 2 is equal to suppose 4. So log e base 4 is equal to suppose 2. So this will be ln. This will be ln 2. Okay.
ln 2.
Okay. Log e base 4 is equal to 2.
as a log e to the power 4 এটা কি দেওয়া থাকবে মানে দেওয়া থাকবে এরকম
Yes, we do not
না
write
আমাদের বের করে
we do not like write log e to the power something. We write ln, okay?
okay
For log e to the power something, we write ln, nothing else. So we can now move forward. It will be more clear if we get some example in the upcoming questions, okay? So next we have
yeah
trigonometric functions. So we know trigonometry is applied only for triangles that have a 90 degree, right?
yes
Trigonometric functions is only applied in 90 degree angle triangles, okay?
yes
So here we have y is equal to sin x, y is equal to cos x, y is equal to tan x. All these things are our trigonometric functions, okay? So for tan
yes
x, this will be sin x by cos x. For cot x, it will be cos x by sin x. These all are the properties, okay? We already learned this in
yes
trigonometric section, okay? And
yes
this value sin pi by 2, this pi is called theta, okay? Theta means an angle, okay? So for
yeah.
an angle, the value of theta will be 90 degree. The value of theta will be 180 degree, okay? 180
yes
degree. So pi by 2 is equal to what? Pi by 2 is equal to 180
90 degree
80 divided by 2 is equal to 90 degree.
yes
So sin 90 is equal to 1. Cos 90 is equal to 0. Sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2. So if you only remember
yes
sin and tan, then you can remember all the numbers, okay? Like sin,
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এই ম্যাথের জন্য সামনের ম্যাথগুলোর জন্য আমরা এগুলো তো কমপ্লিট করলে হবে নাকি সবগুলো
yes.
মানে কমপ্লিট করতে হবে আমাদের
We only learn sin and tan, then other things will automatically
মানে এখানে
come.
যা আছে এগুলো কমপ্লিট করলে সামনের ম্যাথগুলো আমরা করতে পারবো এরকম
No, we have something like inverse trigonometric functions in the later section, but in trigonometric function we will learn this, okay? Like we have to
Okay.
memorize some value. We have to memorize some value like sin 0, sin 30, sin 45, sin 60, and sin 90, okay? So sin 0 is equal to 0, sin 30 is equal to half, sin 45 is equal to 1 by root 2, sin 60
লিখে
is
দাও
equal
সবগুলা
to
আমি
3 by 2,
ছবি তুলে রাখি
and sin 90 is equal to 1, okay? And cos will be reverse, okay? Cos will be reverse. Like we will take this on here and root 3 by 2 here, okay?
Yeah.
And half will be here. 1 by root 2 will be here, half will be here, and 0 will be here, okay? Cos is reverse to sin.
এই হাফ cos 45 ডিগ্রি হাফ
1 by root 2, cos 45 1 by root 2, sorry, 1 by root 2.
হ্যাঁ এইটাই তো বলতেছিলাম
So next we only memorize sin and tan, okay? Then we can calculate the value of cos or cot or sec or cosec. So tan will be
ওকে সবগুলো মেমরি করে নেব
0 1 by root 3 on root 3 and undefined, okay? So now let's learn inverse trigonometric functions. So this will be y is equal to sin x, like the same way before. As you see, we have logarithmic functions. This is the inverse function of expo function. So inverse trigonometric functions, this will be like this way: y is equal to sin x. So for example, sin x is our function, and then we imagine this as y. Okay, y is equal to sin x. Then this arc, we have to bring x on the left side and y on the right side. Okay, so this will make,
Yes.
no, you don't think this way. Let's think another way. If this sign goes on the left side, then sine becomes sine inverse. Okay, sine becomes sine inverse, and we can also tell this as arc. Okay, arc sine. So this will be sine inverse y, right? If sine goes from right to left, this will be sine inverse y. Okay, this is our y,
Yes.
and this is our sine inverse. So we get x is equal to sine inverse y, right? We get x is equal to
Yes.
sine inverse y, and we can also say sine inverse as arc sine. Okay, arc, arc.
মানে ওই মাইনাসের বদলতে আমরা আর
Yes,
জানি
yes,
আর্ক
arc
দিলাম।
sine y.
এটা তো ভাই অনেক ইজি করে দিলাম।
Yes, this is
এইভাবে
our
চিন্তাটা কেউ
inverse
করে নাই।
trigonometric functions. Okay, we only take this
this is
sign.
good technique.
We only take this sign from right to left, and this becomes sine inverse, and we call
Okay.
sine inverse as arc sine. Okay, so
Yes,
this
yes,
is inverse trigonometric functions. Similarly, y is equal to arc cos x, and y is equal to arc tan x. Okay,
এখানে কিভাবে r tan x কিভাবে হয়?
like
মানে
for
r
example,
cos
y
x
is
থাকলে
equal to
এরকম
tan x.
হবে, r tan x থাকলে এরকম হবে।
Y is equal to tan x. So x is equal to
Yes.
this will be tan inverse y, right? Tan
Yes.
inverse y is equal to x. So we call it arc tan. Okay, arc tan y is equal to x. Okay.
Okay.
So now let's move forward.
Yeah.
So now we will see limits. Okay. From the beginning till now, we only learned different functions. Now we will learn limits
Yes.
of a function. Like if we put the value of x is equal to 0, so this will make on divided by 0, and this doesn't belong to r, right? So we cannot
Yes.
take this 0 here, but
Yes.
we can take some value that is very close to 0, right? That is
Yes.
very close
We
to
can
0.
take.
So here limit comes. Okay, if x get longer
Yes.
than longer, then the f of x get smaller than smaller. Okay, so let me put some value here. Like we take the value of x is equal to 1000. Okay, this is a big number, right?
Yes.
So on divided by 1000.
Yes.
Let's use our calculator. So on divided by 1000, this will be 0.001, right? So we can take a big number, right? Like on divided by 99999. Okay, this will be 0.0000, very small number, right? So if x get bigger, longer than longer, then f of x get smaller than smaller. Okay, so if x tends to plus infinity, our f of x will go near to 0, right? You can see, for example, on divided by like 20,000. Okay, this is 0.00005. So this is very small number, right? So for the value of x tends to infinity, f of x tends to 0. So we can write this way. We can write these two things in a limit, like limit on by x. This is our function, limit on by x, where x the value of x tends the value of x goes to plus infinity. F of x will be 0, right? Or f of x will be near to 0.